Hey everybody, this is a quick video to help you in case you have a Bosch brand oven and you're getting an E011 error and you're wondering what is that error and what do I need to do to get rid of it. So first of all, the E011 error is an error with the buttons, and basically it's sensing that a button has been pushed for too long. So this can be happening for one of three reasons really. The number one reason could be, one of the reasons could be you've just been holding a button for too long trying to do something, and then it pops up this error. While it's normal, you held the button so long you think there's something wrong. But the second thing that it can be is, just over time, food and gunk and everything like that, or whatever, can just eventually make the buttons kind of sticky, and so they'll get stuck, pushed down. And so what you want to do is just one by one, just kind of go through and wiggle the buttons and make sure that none of them are stuck in the pushed down position. And that's most likely going to be the culprit, and we'll get rid of the error. If that's not it, the third thing could be some kind of issue with the electronics behind the button, something frayed or short-circuited or something like that. But hopefully it's not that, because then you're going to need to have a technician come out. But you should be able to get this error gone just by wiggling the buttons and getting them all unstuck. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.